Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hanford, local, and long-distance movers near me. Our team of movers know how to get to your new location safely and quickly. We move all your belongings to the next state over or across the country. When you need a long-distance moving company, we are ready to step up and help you. We offer all the basic moving services along with all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. We have the ideal people to get the job done when you need a California moving company for a local move. You won't have to perform any of the grunt work since we've got you covered. You can save time by hiring us to do the loading and unloading or by having us do the whole move for you. Hiring professional movers might help you save time and energy on moving days. If you're moving locally, it makes sense to hire 3 movers. We'll get you situated much more quickly and help you save a ton of time. We can complete the relocation in a matter of hours when it might take you a whole weekend. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hanford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.